Well, hello everyone. My name's Julian Vincent, and I'm speaking to you from my home office. In fact, these days I have no other. I retired about 4 years ago, but have been fairly active in this area of biomimetics. In the late 1980s, I set up the Centre for Biomimetics in Reading, with George Eronimidis, an engineer, and at that time I would consider myself, more or less as I do these days, as a biologist. But in the year 2000 I had an interesting phone call and was invited to the University of Bath, to the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and it was there that I set up the Centre for Biomimetic and Natural Technologies, which lasted for a few years. And did quite well, I think. And during that time, I started getting contacts with China. I've been going there for about 10 years now, every year. To start off with, I helped the people, this is in Jilin University in a huge city called Chanchung. I helped them set up the Journal of Bionic Engineering, and then subsequently the International Society of Bionic Engineering, and it's that society which of which I'm president, and which will, we hope, be associated with the foundation. But we do have to sort things out with the Chinese administration, and that's never a quick thing to do, I'm afraid. It's especially nice to be associated, or possibly to be associated, with a society, a foundation in Barcelona. I've been going to Barcelona for years. Actually, the first time I went, or I came to see the city and found the Sagrada Familia, was 1962, and at that time they were wondering whether to pull it down. The last time I saw it was about 3 years ago, and I must say I'm terribly pleased they didn't put it down. It's a gorgeous place. And I've been coming to Barcelona to teach the IAAC, which is an architectural school, independent one. In fact, I've been doing a moderate amount of consultancy in architecture these days. Architecture is mostly design, and that's possibly the easiest way to start putting biomimetics to work. Though, of course, there is an opinion that engineering is simply design plus numbers. And my current interests are to do with setting up a system to make biomimetics more readily available to engineers, and to do this I'm using a thing called an ontology. There's a wiki page in Bath on the web if you're interested. So it only remains for me to wish everybody today all the very best wishes, and to say that although I haven't met any of you yet, I look forward to doing so before too much longer. And may you thrive, may you have success, and most important, may you have money. Goodbye.